guys. So first, how to be a profitable trader? Okay, so let me ask you a direct question: how to make money in trading? Okay, comment, write down how to make money. What do you think? How to make money in trading? I want direct answer. What do you think? How to make money in trading? Do you need big money? Do you need secret data? Do you need this, anything? Cut down losses, consistency, patience, price action, capital, patience, mindset, loss small, discipline, risk management, fast, being consistent, analysis, big profit, small loss, trend analysis, overcome fear. Okay, okay, got it. So, see, the basic idea, okay, to make money in trading is to buy low and sell high. That means buy before everyone finds that it is going to go up, and sell before everyone finds it is going to go down. That means basically we are doing buying and selling. Basically we are taking the advantage of the market moment. Market is going up, we will buy, and when the market momentum is going to over, that is we see that okay, it might not go further high, we will exit. So do we need big money for that? Do we need companies inside? Do we need to understand what Reliance is doing, or what big CEOs, companies, management is doing? Or do we need a complex strategy? What do you think? Do we need all these three things? No, correct. We don't need those things. Do we need advanced price action? Many, in the beginning of the session, someone commented that price action. Do we need advanced price action for this? What do you think? So I'm getting mixed answer. Yes, no. We only need TCI. Okay, Manoj. Thank you. Yes, yes. Also, people are started telling yes. Okay, okay. Simple price action is enough. Yes, Palki. Correct. Simple price action is enough. Perfect. Ravi got the answer. Price action plus data. Okay, that's the right answer. Okay. And do we need secret indicator? Do we need secret indicator? The answer is obvious no. What is indicator? Indicator is nothing but a shadow of price. A mathematical formula applied on price is an indicator. What is moving average? A average of past prices. What is RSI? The strength of past 14 candles. So indicators are nothing but the shadow. Okay, these are the mathematical formulas we apply on price to simplify the moment. That's it. Okay, and see, price action can fail. Okay, in market everything can fail, but if you are only using price action, you cannot make money. I tried that. For the time being I made money, but for the longer time, if I tried price action trading, I failed. Okay, let me show you a simple example. So many people are see I'm getting Adani. In the past 4 to 5 months, the buzz that was around Adani stocks, it was the highest in the decade. Okay, so I just was discussing with one of my friend, and he was telling that he's seen Adani Enterprises. It is making lifetime high every week, every month, and because of it, Gautam Adani is one of the richest person in the world. So I told, okay, so what are you saying? What is the conclusion? So he said that his another company, Adani Port, it is his flagship company, and it was around the September time he was talking about. Let me put a volume indicator here. Just a second. Okay. So he was, we were discussing in the September month, and he was telling that Adani Enterprise is making lifetime high. Gautam Adani has beaten Jeff Bezos, and the Adani Enterprise chart has a very good volume. It is breaking out previous high. It is making new high. It is sustaining above the high. It will surely go up, up and up. He told that it has a support of government, whatnot. He was telling 10 different theories, but at the end, it didn't go up. It failed. Okay, he was telling that it is backed by price action volume. Okay, this is just to give example. Okay, in market you will find 10 different peoples who are telling you 10 different ideas and theories behind why Nifty fall, why Nifty went up, why Nifty didn't move. But according to me, it's all about supply and demand. If big players are buying, market will go up. If big players are selling, market will go down. As simple as that. I am not interested in knowing the reason why they are buying. I am a trader. If they are buying, I will participate with them, and I will try to make money by buying. If they are selling, I will try to sell and make money by shorting. As simple as that. I am not an analyst. I am not here to know the reason behind the moment. Rather than I am here to participate in the moment. So that's the first learning, guys. From this point, if you want to be a good trader, stop learning and stop finding the reason why market moved. Rather, shift your focus. How would you have made money in that moment? That thought process, that change in mindset is needed if you want to see the price with the eyes that I am seeing. Okay, I don't see why it went up and it failed. I think, if it is a failed breakout, how I would have taken the advantage of it. Okay, so that's the number one thing. Only price action will not work. We need data points that what big players are doing. If we had that, we can make decisions more efficiently. Okay, clear up till this point, everyone? I want your input, guys. Clear up till this point? Okay, okay, good. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so that was the example. I can. Okay. So, as I told you, in my initial days, I also started with price action. Okay, I tried at that time. People were trading like narrow range breakout, ORB, initial range breakout, whatnot, and there were n number of price action patterns they were trading, and I tried every one of them. Okay, I have made losses in every one of them. Okay, but then slowly started understanding. Then slowly my eyes were able to catch up the momentums. Okay, so what I understood, and what I when I understood the good books, when I read the good books about investing and trading particularly, I understood that at every day you will find some few stocks which are giving 5-10% momentum, and in that 5-10% momentum you can easily make consistent gains. Okay, not every day you will find, but every day you will find few stocks. And similarly, if you are trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty, okay, you have seen that in a week's time, multiple times you will find that option prices doubles within few hours. Okay, 100 rupees option will become 200 within few hours. Okay, so then I started shifting my focus there. How I can find those chart patterns, how I can find those things before the moment comes, so that when the moment comes, I can take advantage of this. Okay, so that's how I started understanding the process of back testing. Then I watched a video on YouTube and telling that you need to back test, and from there I got the bug of back testing different ideas, analysis. Okay, and fortunately, because of backtesting, many times, I will see 5-10 different charts. I will go through 1 month on the like Sensible, Zerodha, and TradingView, and I will see the past 1 month data, and I will think, okay, this thing is really working great. But when I test that same idea, same logic on a longer time frame, like 1 year or 2 years, it fails miserably. Like it is a very bad strategy. Okay, so it gave me a clarity that exactly what kind of price action works and what kind of price action doesn't work. Okay, so because I have that kind of skill set, because as I learned Python solely for backtesting. I am a mechanical engineer. I didn't learn computer science or programming. But once I decided to be a trader, I understood that if I am actually serious and committed about this, I need to learn. And then I learned Python, and because of that, I was able to test all those analysis, all those concepts within few hours, which you might take like months manually if you want to backtest. Okay, so that I understood that there is a opportunity. You will find stocks every day which will go 5-10%. You will find options which are doubling, but you need to find those things before it happens. You need to do that with the help of backtesting. Whatever idea you have, just backtest and see whether your thinking is actually going through all the different market cycles. Okay, similarly, if you're trading in options, you will find that on some days after 2 p.m. or after 1 p.m., you will find a good single sided moment in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? That are the very good times if you are option buyer. Okay, so what we need, again, this is my personal side. This is what I do. This is what all the students at TCI do. Okay, first, you need a proven strategy. When I say proven strategy, that means a clear entry exit rules, all the conditions where to put stop loss, a proper plan to exit. and you need to backtest that idea. Okay, that complete process on at least 5 years of data. Okay, I am telling at least, okay, not less than that, because in today's time any year can be a bullish year or bearish year. If you actually want that, okay, the strategy that I'm trading will should make consistent money, then you need to backtest on bull market, bear market, and sideways zone. So if you remember, 2016 was sideways zone, 2020 was a downfall in the initial due to COVID, after that it went up. Okay, and currently 2022 it was like kind of sideways zone. So last 5 years are perfect. If the strategy is profitable in the last 5 years, that means it will make chances are, we cannot say 100%, but it will make good money in the future. Okay, nothing is 100% in the market. That's why we use stop loss, right? So a, a proven strategy means a back tested strategy on at least 5 years of data, which is consistently profitable. It should not like that, like only one trade, one big profitable trade, and rest all trades were losses. No, it should make consistent profit overall. And the last and the main part, the risk to reward should be positive. Okay, I don't like strategies which are 80% accurate but have negative risk to reward ratio. I don't like that. Okay, I need positive risk to reward ratio. Reward should be always greater than the risk. Okay, so these three things should be there in the strategy. If these three things are there, that means if you even don't do anything new, you will make money by reading that strategy, right? Now the second thing, why? The second thing, the advanced scanner. But why? The question is like, so why do you need trade code? Are you promoting your product? Like, why trade code? We don't have that. See, the reason is we are retailers. Okay, we are not here to make 8-9% per year. Okay, why should I be here? Right? I can directly give money to the mutual fund, right? We want to make more money, right? We are not here to compete with mutual funds. We are retailers, and we are here to make aggressive returns. And to make that aggressive returns, we need to use our capital more efficiently. Okay, that's the one of the reason, and that's why we use trade code. Trade code is more than enough. Trade code tells me what big players are doing in the market, whether they are building bullish position in the nifty, or whether they are building bearish position in the nifty. If if I get to know that, okay, if big players are building bullish position in the nifty, that means what I will do, I will only execute the buying trades which my proven strategies are giving. So I have added an extra layer of, or what I can say, filtration with the help of trade code, and I have avoided all those negative trades. Okay, so that's how trade code works. Again, I will show you each and everything in a practical way. Okay, don't worry. So this is the secret. Okay, the secret is exact live market data on what big players are doing, and with the help of that, apply back tested strategy on that. If you have these two things, you have deadly combo. A proven strategy which is already profitable without your intervention, plus an extra layer of filter on what big players are doing, which will help you to avoid those losing trades even more efficiently. Okay, you need these two things. Now advantages, as I told you, we are retailers, we have limited capital, and to make consistent money from that, we need to use our capital efficiently. Okay, making money in one trade and losing again over next trades will only make your broker rich. I did this multiple times. Okay, a one good trade, I got confidence, I got recharged, I told everyone, okay guys, I made very big profit, I learned how to trade, and then in the next series of trades, I started losing all those profits slowly, and at the end I will lose more than what I have made, and I will go in negative. Okay, that's the cycle I went for the first 3 years of my trading career. Okay, so because see, if you haven't done back testing, then you are just simply riding a car in the dark. Okay, in the forest, you are just assuming that you are in the right path, but no one knows. I hope my English is understandable, guys. Is Are you able to understand what I'm saying? Okay, okay, thank you. So how we make winning strategies? So first, what I do, first I try to find a repeatable pattern. For example, let's say I found that after every 2 days of fall in Nifty, if the Nifty is falling continuously for 2 days, okay, let's say more than 2% consecutively one by one, then on the third day, chances are very high that it will be a green day. That means I can buy at the open and I can close at the day's close. Okay, it's a simple strategy that the simple repeatable pattern that I found, that after 2 days of continuous fall, the third day is a profitable green day. So what I will do, first I will verify that, okay, that whether that pattern is actually working in all the market condition, in the bull market, in the bear market, in the sideways market. So first I will backtest, I will code a simple program and I will apply all the conditions and I will check that whether that my logic is actually profitable on all market condition or not. If it is not, I will drop the idea and I will go to the next one. If it qualifies that, if I am getting, okay, this strategy actually is profitable, then I will go to the next step, that is optimize the entry, exit and trailing logic. This is very important. If the strategy is profitable in every market condition, the next step is to optimize. Then I will try different entry parameters, whether I should take entry directly on breakout, or I should wait for 5 minutes, or I should enter after the closing basis, or I should enter on retracement. There are n number of ways to enter. Similarly, there are n number of ways to exit a strategy. Then I will work on the trailing stop loss, how I should trail on the swing low basis. With the help of moving average, should I trail? With the help of 30 minutes closing basis, should I trail the stop loss? Okay, there are n number of ways to trail a stop loss as well. Okay, then I will find the sweet combo which is giving me the highest return and the lowest number of losses. Okay, so after these three steps, I'm pretty much sure that this strategy is going to make money even if I don't do anything new. But I am a greedy person, I am a retailer, and I need more. Okay, so that's why now when I'm trading that strategy in the live market, okay, I use trade code. Okay, trade code tells me whether you should apply that strategy in the live market or not. Let me show you example of yesterday itself. Okay, give me a second, I will just share my trade code screen. Okay, so now you will be able to see my screen, right? Okay, so the session will go for one. I have planned for 1 hour session, six, because this is just what I can say. You can say in the next 5 minutes, I will start working on the swing trading strategy that I have promised. Okay, the strategy which I'm going to share. So let me just quickly show you this, and then we will start on the strategical part. Okay, so this is the trade code. So if I say about yesterday, so yesterday, if you see, uh, Nifty, okay, Nifty yesterday gave a very good gap up opening, right? It was a very big gap. So yesterday, if you see, on 4th November, okay, before the holidays, the market went one way up in the closing hour. It closed at day's high, and yesterday it opened a very big gap up, but could not able to sustain. Now, of course, as per the system, if I have designed a system that, okay, if the market opens above previous day high, okay, you should buy. I'm just giving an example, but the system doesn't know that exactly what big players are doing here, whether they are building a bullish position, okay, whether they are building a bearish position, it doesn't know. But trade code, if you in the trade code we have a OI compass. So in the OI compass, if you see, if I have applied Nifty from 920 to 10, if I get the data, then I get clearly, I am able to see that this, are you seeing this red bar, and this is the blue green bar. So it is clearly visible that big players are building bearish position. Okay, what trade code does, it checks the open interest of options, futures, it sees the price, it sees the volume, and each and every parameter that is available, that is computable, which can be programmed, we have applied in this trade code, and we give you a 360-degree view that in that time frame from 920 to 10, what big players were doing. And we are clearly able to see that big players were building bearish position in that time frame, right? And you can see after that, after 10, we got a very good fall. Okay, after 10, we got a very good fall. So because of trade code, I know that if my system is giving me a buying signal, either I should avoid, or if I want to go, I should go with the small quantity. Okay, at the same time, how we use trade code, okay, not only we use trade code to avoid negative trades, we use trade code for our active trading. Now I have a very important piece of information, that is big players are bearish. So I will only focus on my strategies which are giving me selling signals, right? So a strategy which was already profitable before, now with the help of trade code will give more optimized result. This way you can use your small capital. As a retailer, we all have small capital and we can use that small capital efficiently. This is one of the reason many people ask, sir, why your students are making consistent money though they have small capital. This is the reason. They are using their capital efficiently. When there is nothing to trade, they are sitting idle, but when there is a moment to strike, when there is a moment to trade, they trade confidently. Okay. Okay, so now we are here, that all were waiting. That is, where are we? A proven swing strategy, right? You all were waiting for the strategy, correct? Am I correct? I didn't get response. Are you all ready for the strategy? Okay, okay, okay. Is the session going? Is the session going boring? Is it interesting? Are you enjoying what I'm saying, or you are feeling sleepy? Okay, good. So, swing trading strategy. Okay, this is a proven strategy, and this strategy just need 15 minutes a day. Okay, you just need 15 minutes of your efforts to trade this strategy. This strategy is perfect for office goers or of business personnel. I will share entry exit parameters, rules, and each and every single trade from 2015 till date, and with the proven track record. Okay, so guys, please be very attentive. Okay, we have a limited time and I don't want that you get confused. Okay, so be very attentive. Okay, so what are the parameters? First of all, this strategy is for Bank Nifty. Okay, I have back tested the strategy for Bank Nifty. It has given the best result out of all, and that's why you will only trade Bank Nifty. Don't use any other indicator, or any other instrument. The time frame is 15 minutes. Okay, the lot size is one, of course. We will not do any re-entry. Okay, and the strategy type is stop loss and reverse. So as soon as our stop loss is hit, we will reverse our position. That means we will always, our position will be always open in the market. Okay, we will take the maximum advantage at any point of time. Whatever capital we have will be deployed. Okay, and we will get the maximum out of it. Okay, clear up till this point. Let's go further. So what are the rules? Okay, so now guys, be attentive. Okay, don't ask doubts here. Okay, I will explain all these things here and on the charts as well. Okay, and then I will show you the backtest report on Python. I have already written the code. Okay, here I have already written each and every parameter of the strategy. Okay, the complete code is ready. I will run in front of you. Okay, and I will show you each and every trade. Okay, so first, what is the long rule? Okay, and don't read. Okay, I'm explaining. Don't go further. Otherwise, we will be reading and I will be explaining something else. So the long rules. First of all, we have to enter after 2 days high is broken. Previous 2 days high. Okay, if today is Wednesday, if today Monday and Tuesday high is broken, we will go long. Okay, I repeat, if previous 2 days high is broken, I will go long. That means I will buy Bank Nifty future in simple. Okay. There is one simple twist here. As you all know that in market, when market opens at 9:15, the first minute of the market is very, very volatile. And majority of the fake signals occurs in the first minute of market opening. That is 9:15 to 9:15:59. Okay. The first minute, 9:15 to 9:16. That 1 minute is very, very volatile and we get many fake moves. So if previous 2 day high is broken in the first 1 minute, then we will not go long. We will wait for the first 15 minutes high of that day to be broken. Okay. So that's what I have written. Okay. Let me just show you this. That is what I have written. If 2 day high is broken in the first minute itself, that is 9:15 to 9:15:59, then wait for the 15 minute and take entry above that 1 minute 15 candle high. And do you see this plus 0.15%? This is just a buffer. Okay, many times I have seen that price will, if you have, let's say this is a 7,000 zone, if you have kept the stop loss, okay, the price will come here, take away your stop loss and it will come down again, right? That is very frustrating, right? The price comes, takes away your stop loss, and then it goes away. Similarly, many times you have decided to take entry here, so you will enter here. As soon as you will enter, price will go down and you will be in sudden loss. So that's the reason, to avoid such levels, to avoid those 2-day high and 2-day absolute levels, I have added a buffer. Buffer means a simple up a 0.15% price, that I want that not only the 2 days high but above that 0.15%. Okay, if price crosses this level, then only I will go long. Again, I will show on charts and with all the data. Okay, you will get much more clarity when you will see on chart. And if the breakout comes after 9:16, okay, let's say previous 2 days high get broken at 10:30, then directly enter at 10:30, again plus 0.15%. Okay, if to previous 2 days high plus 0.15% is broken at 10:15, directly enter at 10:15. Okay, stop loss is equal to previous 2 days low. Okay, as we are buying, we will place stop loss as previous 2 days low minus 0.15%. That means, for example, let's say previous 2-day low is at 100. Okay, let's assume previous 2-day low is at 100. So our stop loss, where we have to put the stop loss, we have to place stop loss at 100 minus 0.15% of 100. Okay, that will come around 99.85. Okay, so I will put stop loss at 99.85. I don't want that price come at 100, takes my stop loss and go up. Okay, so that's why I will put stop loss below 100, 0.15% below 100. As simple as that. 99.85, I will place the stop loss. Okay, and I will trail my stop loss. Let's say I entered on Wednesday, and on Wednesday itself it gave a very good up move. Then on Thursday, I will check Tuesday and Wednesday, that is previous 2 days. And if that is higher than the stop loss, I will again trail my stop loss. So as you will see, as the market will go up, I will keep trailing my stop loss as per previous 2 days low. Okay, so this way I will make the maximum if the trend gives me big profits. Okay, so that is the logic for the long trade. Okay, entry above previous 2 days high, stop loss below previous 2 days low, and keep trailing as per previous 2-day low. Okay, till your stop loss is hit. Clear in the logic of the long trade, guys? Then I will move for the short side. Okay, guys, I need your confirmation. Clear? Is there in a gap? So yes, one guy is asking, what if there is a gap? That's what I told you. If there is a gap, okay, let's say that again, I will that part I have taken in the next slide, so don't worry, I will explain what you have to do if there is a gap against you. Okay, guys. Okay, good, clear. So similarly on the short side, okay, if previous 2 days low is broken, okay, then we will initiate a short trade. And similarly, if the previous 2 days high is broken in the first minute, then we will not initiate. Okay, when the market opens at 9:15, see, in this strategy, in the first minute, 9:15 to 9:59, we don't need to do anything. This strategy, in first minute, there is nothing. Neither you have to change your stop loss if there is any, neither you have to take any new trade in the first minute. Okay, first minute is very volatile, it gives very fake signals. Okay, so avoid that. So if the previous 2-day low is broken in the first minute, what we will do, we will not enter short, rather we will wait for the first 15 minutes candles low. Okay, if the 2 days low is broken in the first minute itself, that is 9:59, then wait for 15 minutes and take entry below that first 15 candles low minus 0.15%. Okay, if the first 15-minute candle low, okay, this is the candle, okay, is low is at 100. Okay, this is 9:15, this will be 9:30, right? 15 minutes over. So at 9:30 I will enter below 99.85. Okay, 0.15% less than 100. Okay, so if this level is broken, I will initiate my short trade. As simple as that. Okay, good. And similarly, if breakout comes after 9:15, that is 9:16, afterwards 9:16, then simple, I will enter on breakout, and again the level will be 2 days low minus 0.15%. Okay, stop loss will be 2 days high. Similarly, trailing will be 2 days high. If the market is falling to 2 days high, I will trail my stop loss. Okay, so I will try to take the maximum profit out of the market. Okay, So this is long side and short side. Clear up till this point, guys? No, guys, we don't need to wait for a candle closing. Okay, if it is just first minute, if any level, if your entry level or stop loss level is breached in the first minute, then only we will wait for the 15 minutes. Okay, I'm talking about we have to wait for 15 minutes, and we have to make decisions on that 15 minutes high low. Okay, when I will show you on charts, you will get more clarity. Okay, and I'm talking about spot. Okay, we will use spot charts, we will not use future charts, because futures are tradable instrument, and if some big players position is stuck in bank nifty, then you will find very big moments in the first minute of bank nifty futures. Okay, so I don't want that. I will trade the absolute, that is the spot chart. If the spot chart gives me a breakout, of course at that time I will take entry in the future, but I will track the spot chart. Okay, yes, guys. Yes, Vinod, I will share you some, not one example. I will share you the entire 7 years data. Just wait. I will show you charts on. I will show you some trades on charts as well. Okay. Now, so you have entered a trade. Now comes, okay, exiting that trade. Okay, there is a mistake here. What's the mistake is? It's exit. Okay. So now how to exit a trade? Okay, so exiting a long trade, if let's say your long trade is running, so first, in the first minute of market opening, whether you are in profit or loss, you don't need to do anything, as I told you. Okay, let's say if you have a long trade and that stop loss, okay, that you are going to place at 916 is already hit at 915. In the first 1 minute itself, your stop loss level that you are planning to put is already breached. Then you will put the stop loss at the first 15 minutes low. That's what I have written. Okay, that's what I have written here. Okay, always place stop loss after 1 minute of market opening. If stop loss is breached in the first minute itself, 915 to 915.59, okay, then wait for the 15 minutes and put stop loss below that first 15 minutes low. Let me explain this, because many will get confused on this line. Okay, let's say this example. Okay, let's say you have shorted. Okay, you have shorted nifty, you are in a selling side, and market gapped up. Okay, this is the stop loss. Okay, this red line is the stop loss that you were planning to put, but unfortunately market opened very big gap up above your stop loss level. You didn't get a chance to exit, and even though if you get chance, this is in the first minute. Okay, so in any case, 915 itself, your stop loss practically speaking, you have breached your stop loss at the 915 itself, right? So if your stop loss, if the level at which you are going, if you were planning to place a stop loss is breached in the first minute itself, then wait for the 15 minutes. Okay, let him go against you. Okay, wait for a 15 minutes and place the stop loss above that 15 minutes high. That's what I am saying. Okay, clear? If the stop loss level is breached in the first minute itself, let's wait for the first 15 minutes and place your stop loss at that 15 minutes high if it is a short trade. If you have long, okay, next day market went gap down, okay, then the reverse we have to do. Okay, that let's take that example as well, where there is a big gap down or where the stop loss is reached within first minutes. Yeah, this is a very good example. Okay, let's say oh, perfect. See, let's say you are in the long. Okay, you are long in the nifty. uh, this is where you are. Okay, so if you see the previous 2 days low, this is the previous 2 day low, this one. Okay, this is the previous 2 day low, but this previous 2 day low is already been taken out in the first minute itself. Market opened very big gap down in the very first minute. The level that you are planning to put stop loss is already breached. So what you will do, rather than placing stop loss at that level, you will wait for first 15 minutes to over, and you will place stop loss below that 15 minutes low. That is, you will place a stop loss here. Okay, see, and then it went in your direction. So you have saved yourself from a freak exit. Okay, a volatile market, you have saved yourself from this volatile market. Okay, so that's the importance of the first minute rule. If any level is broken in the first minute, then wait for that 15 minutes and shift your level to the that candle's high low. Okay, guys, clear up till this point? Guys, clear up till this point? Everyone understood what I'm saying up till this point? I'm getting 2-3 no's. So guys, those who are saying no, guys, you can put your comment here. Guys, please don't print yes now. Just guys, those who haven't understood, just share your doubt. I will try to explain on the charts. I will share the PPT. I will share the recorded session. You can revise those things. Okay. Let me now just let me show you proper trades with you. Okay. Let me show you proper trades. Just a second. Yeah. So as I told you, I trade on bank. This strategy was backtested bank nifty. So everything that I told you, okay, buy above previous 2 days high, only buy when 0.15% level is breached, trail your stop loss above, all those things I have coded in each and everything I have done. So let's run this strategy from 2015 and see how it has performed. Okay, so let's I have started. Okay, so as you can see it is running, it is calculating all those things 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022. Okay, so these are the results. So how is the strategy? So first of all, the strategy has backtested 1800 days. Okay, it has taken 372 trades. Number of trade, ignore this number of, these both are same. Okay, there were total 186 long trades and 186 short trades, of course, because it is a stop loss and reverse system. There will be equal number of long trades, equal number of short trades. This is the total PNL. This is the number bank nifty points. This is absolute points. Okay, if you want to see the profit, then what you need to do, you need to multiply into 25. That is the lot size. So 39868 into 25, you would have made almost 10 lakh rupees on a single lot in the last 7 years. Okay, the accuracy is 43%. The issue reward is 1:1.9. That is approximately 1:2. Okay, you are making on an average 107 points. Okay, the maximum winning point is 11,000 points on a single trade. We have made 11,000 points. And what is the maximum loss? Minus 600. Okay, and see, average winning point is 700, average losing points is minus 400. Okay, winning streak is 6 and losing streak is 9. And this is the uh, there is a mistake with the window here. You are not able to see the small values. Okay, but these are the overall profit and loss distribution. Are you seeing the losses are very small? See, below zero is the losses. The losses are very small. But if you see the profits are very much bigger. And then this is the 11,000 point profit, right? And see this equity curve. See this beautiful. This strategy of the initial few trades we got lost, but see that consistent profit throughout 7 years. I need this proven thing. I need that my strategy should work in every market, whether it is the COVID time, whether it is 2015, 16, 17, 18. Every year, this strategy has made a consistent profit. And often this is 2020. That was it is a heaven for swing traders. Okay. One way moment of 1,000 points in a single day. This strategy has taken full advantage of that. Okay. And see, this is in 2022 also, it is making consistent money, right? So this is what when I see it again, as this is the Python as I have coded in detail. Now I have each and every trade with entry, exit, and all those things, everything. Okay, now let's understand. Let's analyze this Python code. Let's analyze this entry, exit. We will understand. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, so this is 23rd May 2022. So before so on 23rd, our short stop loss was hit and we trade reverse to long. Okay, so we'll start from 23rd. Okay, we will understand 5-6 days here to so that you will get full clarity exactly what strategy, how strategy works and entry exit parameters. Okay, let's say okay. So on 23rd March, let me go here. Okay, here. Okay, so so we were here. Okay, so somewhere here we have entered long at 9:53. Okay, let's not analyze why we got long. Okay, that is the previous. Let's analyze from here. Okay, so from here we entered the long. Okay, So what will be our stop loss? Of course, it will be previous 2 days low. That this will be the stop loss, right? This is today. This is -1. This is -2. This is -2 days low. Okay, previous 2 days low will be this. Okay, which is the low? 33,189 and minus 0.15, right? So 33,000 minus 0.1. This is the stop loss, right? Again, perfect stop loss. Okay, 2 days low minus 0.15%. Okay, I don't want that price come exactly here and takes my stop loss and go away. That's why I will place stop loss little bit below that level, that is minus 0.15%. Okay, so that is where we have placed. Okay, so we entered here, we have placed stop loss at previous 2-day low. Okay, 2-day low, 2DL, and then this is the risk I am taking. Okay, the risk is 1400 points. Okay, no worries. Now let's see what happened. So okay, it went up, it went up, it went up, then see what happened. So on 24th we trailed our stop loss. Why? Because on 24th, now see, when we were here, the stop loss was here. Now when on this day, the previous 2 days, when we are here on this day, okay, tell me, when we are on this day, what is previous 2 days low? This, right? This is -1 and this is -2. So this is the previous 2-day low, right? What is that level? That is 33,690 approx. Okay, so that is where 33,690 minus 0.15%, right? So we have trailed our stop loss to previous 2 days low. Now let's go to the next day. So now the next day is here. Okay, our stop loss was here. Okay, so now we will trail to the minus previous 2 days low. So what is previous 2 days low? This is -1, this is -2. What is the low of both the days? Here. So I will bring my stop loss from here to here. What is the level? Approx 34,120, 34,070. Okay, minus 0.15% will be there, right? So similarly, I will keep trailing as per 2 days low, and finally where my stop loss will get hit? Here, right? See here, my stop loss will get hit here. Are you able to see here on this day? On this day, what is the previous 2-day low? Here. So here my stop loss will get hit. What is the day here? 31st May. See, 31st. No, it. Oh no, not got here. My mistake, guys. This is not hit. If you zoom, it is not hit. We saved ourselves from little bit. Okay, so our stop loss got hit on 3rd of June. Where? Here. I have marked here. Okay. See, this is the advantage of putting that 0.15% buffer. Because of that, our stop loss a little bit lower, and we saved ourselves. But finally, we could not able to save, and our stop loss got hit here. Previous 2-day low here. Okay, this was our stop loss. It got hit. So this is what I have mentioned on 3rd of June. Okay, our stop loss got hit. It hit at 31,240. We made a profit of 645 points. Why? Because again, though our stop loss was hit, we entered very early. Where we entered, if you remember, we entered here. Okay, so if you check, it is approx 600 to 650 points. Okay, so we entered, we made profit of 600 points. Now the main part, after we exited that, we reversed the trade. Why? Because that trade was long, stop loss got hit. Now what we will do, we will reverse the trade. So at that instant minute, okay, we will enter a short trade at the same level where we exited. Okay, and now what will be our stop loss? 2 days high. Okay, so this is where we are entering. Okay, we are entering here, somewhere here. And what is 2-day high? This is -1, this is -2. So 2-day high is this. So we'll put stop loss above this 0.15%, 0.15%, sorry. So same thing I have put here. The stop loss is here. Okay, and again the price went down. We kept trailing on 8th of June, 13th of June, 14th of June. We kept shifting stop loss. Are you seeing? At every market opening we kept shifting stop loss. Now that example, one guy asked, right, what will happen if a big gap down is there? So let's see here. Are you able to see here? On this day, okay, we are still in the short trade. Okay, now on this day, okay, what is today's high? This one, right? So in the first minute itself, market opened above that level. Okay, market opened above my stop loss level. So what I will do, I will not do anything, and I will wait for the first 15 minutes. Okay, and then I will put stop loss above that 15 minutes high, that is, I will put stop loss here, right? So see, that's what my program has said. On 6, what is the date here? 16th June. On 16th June, stop loss hit, but didn't get exit because it was the first minute. I have coded that if it is the first minute, don't get exit. And that's why SL, that is stop loss, shifted to 15 minutes high. Okay. And what is the stop loss level? 33,805. What is the high here? What is the high here? 33,754. So I have to 8.15% in that. And if you 8.15%, sorry, 0.15% above this high, you will exactly get this value. Okay. And because of that, we didn't exit it and we saved ourselves of this freak exit. And see, then beautifully it went in our direction, right? And again, on the next day, we shifted again. And finally, on 21st, our again on sit on 21st also, our SL got hit in the very first minute. And that's why we see on 21st. See here. On 21st also, our 2 days high is broken in the first 1 minute itself. Okay. So again, what we did, we put stop loss above this high. But on that day, after half an hour, our stop loss got hit here. So no worries, we'll exit. So finally on 21st, our stop loss got exit, but we made a profit of 2,000 points. 2,000 points. Just by spending 15 minutes. Again, and this is not a one trade. Okay, this is the entire 7 years of trade with proper entry, exit, stop loss, everything. Okay. This is what a proven strategy means. This is what it means, a consistent profit. Small losses, big profit are now the main part, where as many people are telling, can we trade this strategy in options? Yes, in options, it will give more result. Why? Here, as you have seen, in many trades, it is giving big losses, but in options, what is the maximum loss? Is the premium, right? If you have bought an option at 300, the maximum you can lose is 300. But at the same time, if the trade gives you profit, and if you are aware about options, right? Options delta will increase, and if future is moving 100 points, your options will give you more than 100 points profit. That's the advantage of options. If it moves in your direction, the moment will multiply. But if it goes against you, you will only lose the premium that you have. Okay. So if you are using this strategy with the help of options, then use monthly options. Okay. Don't use weekly options, because weekly options will lose its premium very quickly. So use monthly options and you will get more good results from this strategy. Okay. You can use futures. It will work flawlessly with futures. Okay. You can apply option selling. Okay. There are n number. See, this is the base. Okay. This is a base. Okay. Now it's up to you how you want to utilize this base, whether you want to buy options, whether you want to buy nifty bees, whether n number of ways you can trade this. Okay. And now initially one guy told that, okay, this strategy is accuracy is not that good, but though it is very, very good, let me tell you, you will not find those 100% accurate. Now many people will ask, sir, but you are getting very good accuracy, you are getting more than that, how? So that's where we do diversification. Okay. What we do is that we try to find such 5 to 10 different uncorrelated strategies. Listen carefully. As a trader, what I will do, I will try to find similar strategies which are 50% accurate but uncorrelated. Uncorrelated means these 5 strategies will be having losses at different times. So then I will divide my capital into 5 equal parts and I will run every strategy individually. Even if there is a loss in one strategy, the other strategies will be profitable. So now when I will trade this bundle of 5 strategies, my accuracy will shoot up. I will get 80% accuracy. Okay. A single strategy cannot give you that accuracy. Okay. And again, this is a raw strategy. I haven't taken trade code in consideration. If I know that today morning big players are selling, I will not buy. I will not look for buying signals. I will only use my selling strategies. Right? So there are again, all those things cannot be covered in 1 hour, but there are n number of ways you can maximize the returns that you are getting from these simple things. But one thing is, whatever analysis, whatever base that I have should be proven. This is what proven means. It is making positive points throughout. It has a positive risk to reward ratio. It is making consistent money. Okay, this is what a pro. And what else do you want? You are just spending 15 minutes. That's it. You are done for the day. Go after 9:30. Go home. Do whatever you want. Okay. So guys, any doubt up till this point? And guys, please stick to the strategy part. Okay, don't ask other doubts. Okay, any doubt related to this part? This is for Peg Nifty. Okay, so I'm getting very much doubts. I'm not able to read everyone. When you say big players, what does it mean? When I say big players, it means those players who have a big fund and they are able to create moments in the market. We don't know the names, but we know that big institutions, big mutual funds, when their positions are stuck or when they want to buy very big, their volumes are so big that whenever they trade, it gives direction to the market. So once we understand what they are doing, whether they are building buying position, whether they are building selling position, we can align our interest with their interest and we can increase our accuracy. That's what I meant by big players. Okay, what is meaning of winning streak? Winning streak means continuous winning without any losses in between. Okay, so if you see this strategy is 6. So for the 6 times, okay, in these 7 years, there was one time where the strategy got 6 consecutive winning trades, and similarly it got 9 consecutive losing, but this is just a one time. This is just to this parameter is not used for you. It's used for us because when we built a portfolio of strategies, okay, as I told you, I don't run one strategy. I want 70-80% accuracy. So what I do, I run 5 to 6 different strategies, and I should be aware of their winning and losing streak. So it helps to design the portfolio of strategies that we are trading. Okay, sir, can we do naked buying? See, Shrikant, anything. If you have come this far in the webinar, my answer will be one thing. Whatever thing you need to do, you need to backtest. Okay, I don't do anything without backtesting. I have whatever things that I have told, yep, up till this. Now from here, we have to put your efforts. Okay, again, I have done everything. Okay, if I'm trading a long strategy, again I will do. If you see here, let me show you here. So I have everything. I have a strategy of long day list, no trade day list, when to find how to find whether we should trade or not. 15 minutes. There are n number of variations that I have. Option buying, option selling, you name it. I have traded. I have backtested everything. Straddle, strangle, option buying, option selling. Okay. Everything that I have in my mind, I don't assume whether it will work or not. Okay. I don't ask question to anyone. I simply spend time. I make a code. I run, and I get a crystal clear picture whether it will work or not. So if you have now, if it now it is your turn to put effort. Okay. So now you backtest little bit with your Excel or anything, and now find from here. Okay. Yeah. So yes, I told you, right? You can trade options on this, and many of our students are trading options on this and making good returns. Okay. Many office goers, personally, many of my friends are using this strategy and they're trading in options on this and they're making consistent gains. Okay. They are office people, they are business people, and just by devoting 15 minutes, they are getting this kind of returns. Okay. Just let me show you how. See, this is our community, right? So as you can see here, people are trading on these strategies, right? Yesterday, if you see, many people trade Mariko based on intraday boost. This is a trade code. Trade code was telling that Mariko has big players aggressively building selling positions. And tomorrow, if you remember yesterday, big players were building bearish position on Nifty. So are you getting? Big players are building bearish position Nifty. That means market will go down. At the same time, big players were building bearish position Mariko. That means chances of Mariko going down is further high. So when you connect this kind of dots with the help of trade code, you will make profit. This guy made 14,000 rupees profit. Okay. So everyone in our community use trade code along with their strategy. See this index analysis tool is so accurate from trade code. Okay. So it's not about how much capital you have, it's about how you are utilizing that small capital to make return. That is more efficient. Okay. And again, when you trade big capital, okay, we have we trade multiple strategies that are uncorrelated, and that's why we have such high accuracy. And the same thing we try to teach our students. Whatever things we teach our students, they are thoroughly back tested. Okay, and once we combine those things with trade code, we get the desired results. Okay, see, the trade code is only for TCI members. Okay, so those now who are interested for TCI mentorship, okay, those who want to understand how we help our students. Okay, so we conduct a mentorship program. Whatever things that we have learned, whatever things that we missed when we started our journey, we try to teach all those things in our mentorship program so that you can save your time, money, and efforts. Okay, so here we teach, we take live sessions, we teach you all the concepts that we are using. You will get text of this wonderful community where throughout the day other pro traders are sharing their trades, ideas, what they are trading, and they're also sharing trading signals. Yes, other pro traders will share their trading signals. Okay, all those things you will get lifetime access of trade code. Okay, everything is available here. Those who are interested, they can visit our website and fill the form, and they can proceed. Okay, but that's not the aim here. Aim is to show you that if you are serious in trading, if you are actually wanted to make money, stop doing the things you were doing and start trading proven strategies with data. Okay, if you don't know Python, you can put efforts and you can do back testing in Excel as well, but don't trade unproven strategy. And here one very important notice, I don't want to name anyone, but before few days I was seeing a YouTube and I found one very popular YouTuber saying one strategy. Okay, I back tested the strategy. Okay, it was a loss making strategy. He just showed 2 to 3 trades and showed that it is working. But when I back tested that, it was complete failure. It just worked for the 2 to 3 months, but on a long horizon, it was losing money. Okay, so don't get into all the strategies available on social media. They will just share 2 to 3 trades, and what I can say, they will lure you. Okay, but that's not the entire picture. This is the entire picture. Okay, without entire picture, you cannot trade. So I want to stop doing all those. Don't lose money by trading inconsistent strategies. That's what. Okay. Yes. So now I will take doubt. Is I will provide recording, guys. I will try my best. Okay. Our mentorship is of 2 to 3 months. Okay. It takes approx 3 months to complete our mentorship. Can a trader be a full-time trader in 8 months? I know many traders who became consistent profitable traders less than 3 to 4 months. Yes, that is possible, but it's up to your efforts. Okay, you have to put your efforts. If you are putting that, I think anything can be done in 3 months. 3 months is not a short time. If you are practicing all those things, if you are disciplined, you can do that. Okay, guys, so it's been more than 1 hour. It's we have crossed 1 hour 10 minutes. Great day spent for me as well. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, so I'm closing the session. Thank you all. Have a nice day. All the best in your trading journey. May you achieve all the profit you ever dreamed of. Okay, guys, bye.